To enable the Edit Alarm Program Monitor settings, we must first select the Measure Setup icon. Then the Program Params icon. Select the Hi5 Monitor program and pulse number you want to enable and adjust. In this example, Program 0. Then select the Alarm Program icon. Then turn on the Alarm Selection Master Switch. Now enable and set the limits of the parameters you wish to monitor. Thanks for listening. Contact us today at entroncontrols.com.